Hey, watch out now. Dancehall over the years have produced a lot of icons, legends, and superstars. It is by the garrison, from the ghetto, and for the world. The music represents you, me, we as a people, and overall it represents the underdog. It is freedom of speech, style, and expression. It is for the hopeless. It is a true reflection of wins and losses, a real definition of the culture. It has given us much laughter, smiles, and the essence of life. You know what I mean? But it has also given us death. Yes, people, today we're counting on the top 5 dancehall artists that was killed. You know what I mean? If you're not a member yet, a part of the gang, and you want to help us grow, please do so now by subscribing to the channel, like the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know it go already, as me I say. Yeah, be part of the gang, people. And now that we got that all out of the way, hey, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know. The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's what you know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.
My God, man, I may never walk alone.
And at the top of the countdown, in the number 5 spot, we have the Mobile native, dancehall artist, Father God.
Never yet lose my faith, dog, me never yet lose my way, cause I jog guide.
26-year-old Adrian Alexander, otherwise called Father God, of Caton Lane in Mount Salem, Montego Bay, but was living in Cassava Walk in Albion community up to the time of his death. Reports are that shortly after 10:30 a.m., the entertainer was at a location in his community when he was pounced upon by armed men. He was reportedly shot multiple times by the gunmen who escaped in the area on foot. The police were summoned, and upon arrival, the wounded entertainer was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The entertainer has just released a hit single debut, Jag Guide, which has been creating waves on the radio and social media.
Never yet lose my faith, dog, me never yet lose my way.
Yes, man, people. And unfortunately, it was after, you know what I mean, his death that I was hearing of the artist. Surely he was making like major waves in Mobile. You get to me, I say, but I really, when I start hear the whole, you know what I mean, report on the artist death, you know what I mean, well, a lot of people in terms of like Kingston start hearing of the artist music, and it's the first time we see an artist like getting big break, you know what I mean, after his demise, is it? And it's sad, as I say. Now I play a recording from, you know, the artist himself before, you know what I mean, him actually, you know, got killed, is it? And it seems like the artist, they kind of sense that something going to go on or might happen to him around that time. So, listen to what going on.
Boy, they can feel like they can pull up on man and try and look a style, isn't it? Sir, youth, man, I know what this, but the first thing in my life, me ever feel so youth, God kill me. I don't know why I feel so youth, I feel, you see me, I feel one way, youth. I don't know how I feel so youth, God kill me, youth. I don't feel afraid nor nothing, you know, youth. I swear, I don't feel afraid no one. Boy, I not even want to talk them things, so God forbid.
Then we must go through the gate, and from the day my born, me know I'm great.
Jano. R.I.P. to Father God, as me I say. Bad artist with a bad song, as me I say. Still get played up to today, even after all this time when the artist passed. As me I say, so you know what, it's song for real. Is it? But yes, people, that was Father God at number 5. Is it? And right now in the number 4 spot, we have dancehall artist CLUMSY. Dancehall artist Courtney Morris, also known as CLUMSY DAPS, was stabbed by a man during a family dispute. Reports are an argument ensued with the artist and the mother of his kids when a fight began, and then he was stabbed by the relative of his baby mother. The man who stabbed the artist also reported the incident to the police and claimed it was in self-defense. And 1 week later, after the artist succumbed to his injuries, the man fled the country. CLUMSY DAPS, who was also a member of the dynamic group The Innocent Crew, got their big break in the early 2000s with songs such as The Impossible Chain, How You Wanna Live, and Mama Says. CLUMSY DAPS, who met his demise in 2008, just as the group was getting ready to start filming for their comedy sitcom, Me and My Crew, which also starred Bensley Hype, Macca Ed, Kappa Kid, and replacing the artist himself, actor Alvarado Carey.
Don't forget tomorrow is my birthday.
Yeah, I will always remember your birthday.
There are two things I need from you. I need a gift that is out of this world and multiple orgasms. Yeah.
Mommy, it's the third time nearly deaf with them old pat and pan there, you know.
Get up and go buy the lot of me, you see?
Yo, what's cracking the lacking the packing the macking?
But they're hang out too baggy.
You know, bring the new beat them come. The man them there, you know.
Yo, I have a gig for you and the crew. Mobile, next week Saturday. Where you say?
You talk to grabs it down the lane.
No, you're not more that brother there, you know.
And tell me say I have a big show line up for it.
Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's the innocent.
Macari.
Yeah.
6 weeks belly.
Yeah.
And I'm that's to a doctor.
Listen to
them have a miscarriage.
And at the number 3 spot, we have ONEIL from Voicemail. ONEIL Edwards was shot by gunmen while entering his home in Duane Park, St. Andrew. He was then rushed to the KPH hospital where he underwent surgery, but the DJ never regained consciousness. According to the Jamaica Observer, the main suspect in the shooting, a Voicemail artist ONEIL Edwards, was found dead in a Chancery Hall community. Police said the identified man managed to escape a dragnet set up to nab him several hours earlier. You know people, you hear what go on. I guess some people believe in an eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Cause police have set up a trap to catch a suspect and they managed to escape. And then somebody just say, yo what go on. We now say them are prison for eating a taxpayer money, you know. Is it? We are deliver our own justice. They get to me and say, killing for killing. Edward's cellular phone was found in the dead man's possession. The body was dressed in green short pants, white t-shirt and a blue slippers, and was found on Lady Hamilton close with several gunshot wounds. Meanwhile, a second suspect was picked up by the Manchester police in that parish and is being transported to Kingston, where he will be questioned by the senior homicide investigators. The police are said to be probing at least 2 possible motives for the attack. The first one was that the artist had an altercation with some men after he refused to give them money. The man accepted to have damaged his vehicle and he later made a report to the police. This is said to have angered the men. It is believed that those men might have carried out the attack. Jaja. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, I'm going to make you know. But Voicemail was one of the most talented, versatile and electrifying group at the time, and what they brought to dancehall was very much needed. You know what I mean? So, you know the nicest part of dancehall, you know the vibes part of dancehall, that was pretty much, you know, Voicemail as a group. You know what I mean? So, very sad how them take out the artists. So, RIP to ONEIL Edwards, and, you know what I mean, condolences to his family.
So we say what kind of belly them a carry?
Yeah.
6 weeks belly.
Yeah.
And I'm that's to a doctor.
Listen to
them have a miscarriage.
My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha. Money, ha ha.
And in the number few spot, the true spot, from the Marital Family, we have dancehall artist Corey. Corey, who was a member of the popular dancehall group Marital Family, was gunned down as he exited a popular gaming lounge located in Montego Bay and headed towards his car. This news hit the dancehall community since he was loved by most. Corey and the Marital Family is well known for their Mansa hit single, My Money, a collab done with their former boss and leader of the Portmore Empire Vibes Cartel. Marital Family was once a member of the dancehall Portmore Empire, but several ties with the company due to monetary issue.
Make
teacher laugh out like a Santa. Me want me money, ha ha.
Cops are investigating the murder but has no lead so far. Our sources say his killing remains a mystery since he is not known to have any feud with anyone. I don't know Corey as someone who has feud with anyone or any artist. So for someone to just kill him like that is a mystery, our sources said. He always hung out at the casino in Iron Shore. That is his spot, so everyone know his routine. Marital Family was a part of the Vibes Cartel-led Portmore Empire before they were falling out with the incarcerated DJ. The group also comprised of lead singer Noel Blade, Schemas, Mason and DJ Travoy Kenny Brackett. The later is serving time. Oh, that later? I wonder if they want to say leader. Well, the later is serving time in the US for drug trafficking. Yes, so no people. So I want to say a big shout out to the Marital Family from out of Mobile, a very talented group of individual. I want to hear about them set of artists before I hear about TJ, before I hear about the Six them, before we hear about Ryan King, and before we even hear about Tommy Lee, you see me, especially people from Kingston, you know, we hear about Marital Family before we hear about the rest of Mobile artists them. So, you know, RIP to Corey is it, and a big shout out again to the rest of individual them in a Marital Family.
Let us pray, get our youth, let's pray.
Hey, watching a man, and then there was one. Just a quick reminder, if you're still here watching and haven't liked the videos yet, go ahead and smash the like button, please, and thanks my kindly asking. Boss up and do the boss thing. And now we have in the number one spot, we have dancehall veteran Captain Barkley. Captain Barkley, a veteran Jamaican dancehall DJ, he was fatally shot in front of a Bronx motel one early Saturday morning. He is best known for his mid-90s number one dancehall hit, Go Go Wine and Bun for Bun. His sound was characterized by quick pace, humorous rhymes, delivered with his signature robust vocal style. Barkley, born Jocelyn Hamilton on November 4, 1951, was reportedly shot as he sat in a car with a female companion named Tracy Bennett, who was 38. After they exited the Holiday Hotel in the Eastchester section of the Bronx, the New York Police Department says the alleged gunman, who remains at large, is Joseph Carmazan, 42, the father of two of Bennett's 3 children. Bennett, who was also murdered, had reportedly taken out a restraining order against Carmazan, who had, on more than one occasion, warned Hamilton to end his relationship with Bennett.
Joseph Carmazan, he is the manager for a Haitian music group in New York City, and reports from New York say he was angry as a hornet when he found out that his wife had a boyfriend, that he was stalking her to the point that she took out a restraining order and then followed her to the hotel on Saturday night where she was having a rendezvous with her lover, killed her and the lover. It was an extreme crime of passion, according to Deputy U.S. Marshal Barry Golden.
This individual stalked his ex-girlfriend, locked their car in, and then just opened fire relentlessly. 20 to 30 rounds were fired.
You know, people, it's set away. Look like the veteran dancehall DJ get caught up in a serious piece of love triangle. The worst type of love triangle like that, when someone believes say if them not there with the person, nobody know fi have them. And as you can see, she'll take out a restraining order against him, and that still never stop him. You know what I mean? And I can't even say a bunch shall give the man, cause although him want the DJ say stay away from my wife, it obvious say them separated or them the divorce. One out of the few. And from the looks of things, it look like the DJ never really take him that serious, because the DJ even was venting to him good friend Wickerman. And for you hear about Captain Barkley, if you hear about Wickerman. Captain Barkley was more of a solo artist in the 90s, but more in the 2000s it was a combination of the two, and they were more like a duo.
Arthur will call me and say, Wickerman, you know you're wanting to Captain Barkley. Me say, no. Where go on? And I say, you say Barkley get shot, man. And I said, I want you, man. We don't have the truck, you know. Come off on my phone and load them. I be a rumor all the while. Them something not go on, man. The Barkley get shot for. Same time, say, hold on. You know, say, a man trail him and him girl go on hotel and shot. When him say, the man trail him and the girl, right there, so, it's like me drop, can me say, after we, you know, say, if I saw it go something go so, can me know about the trailing. Me know about the trailing. The man a trail them. The man trail the girl right through. The man threaten them. Saying when me know about the Captain Barkley, tell me. So me say Barkley, I hear me, just be careful, cause the man him say the man a Haitian and rare. But Barkley never expects it to reach that distance and that journey. That's why he's a man where him just take everything for joke. So me know Barkley never really a pre for do the man not like how the man a pre for doing things.
Yes, man, people, know from Wickham himself. Captain Barkley was just that type of person that way make light a serious situation, you know what I mean? And the DJ can't help it. That's just his character. You get to me and say, he then even went on to make a song about the situation called Nah Left, which impersonate Vybz Kartel song. She tell me she nah let go, she tell me she nah let go.
She tell me she nah let Joe, she tell me she nah let Joe, she tell me she nah let Joe, she tell me she nah let Joe.
Honestly speaking, people, Captain Barkley was known for making songs like this, meaning taking popular songs and flipping it into some form of humorous type of way. That was just his style, you know what I mean? But in this particular case, him just make it off a film situation in him life, how go on. You get to me and say with him being the Bonner man, I'm only if it's a Bonner man, him being that man, and you know what I mean? She love him, the other man that obsessed with she. One big, you know, obsessive love triangle.
City police teamed up with the United States Marshal Service and tracked this man to South Florida. They've been working this case for the last couple of days. Eventually tracked him to this apartment not too far from the Golden Glades interchange. They tried to get him to come out, but he wouldn't. Marshals said they heard 3 shots. It would appear that he tried to kill himself, missed once, missed twice, but the 3rd bullet did the trick.
Jaja, double murder suicide. R.I.P. to Captain Barkley, you know what I mean? I want to say R.I.P. to everyone that was on the list, you see me? I'm sure they are very much missed. You get to me, I say, people. So yes, man, that was the end of the show. Hope everybody like it, you know what I mean? Overall, you see me? And I want to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You get to me, I say, you can comment down below, tell me what you think. If you want to implement any idea for me to make a video, I'll do that also. Yes, right, that's a said way. Like always, just like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging. Watch ya now. No.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing. Watch ya know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch ya know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch ya know.